If you're looking to get better at using ClickFunnels 2.0, there are some great courses out there, both free and paid. Whether you're just starting or want to grow your online business faster, these training programs can help you build funnels, launch products, and sell more with ease. Here are some of the top ClickFunnels 2.0 courses you should know about. Premium and Niche ClickFunnels 2.0 courses. 1. One Funnel Away Challenge, $100. An intensive 30-day training designed to help you build and launch a high-converting sales funnel. Provide daily coaching and accountability. Offer insights from successful funnel builders. Ideal for entrepreneurs ready to implement actionable strategies. 2. Funnel Builder Secrets, $1,997. An advanced program offering in-depth funnel building and optimization techniques. Access to premium ClickFunnels tools and resources. Comprehensive training modules for scaling your business. Best suited for serious marketers and businesses aiming for significant growth. 3. The Last Secret. An advanced course that reveals high-level secrets for funnel conversion optimization. Scaling digital offers to 6 and 7 figures. Secret automation strategies used by top marketers. Perfect for funnel builders looking to unlock the next level. 4. PLR Funnels. Focused on using private label rights, PLR, content to build and sell digital products via ClickFunnels. Funnel templates ready for resale. Monetizing PLR ebooks, videos, and courses. Plug-and-play offers with built-in upsells and opt-ins. Great for affiliate marketers, info product creators, and digital resellers. 5. AI Webinar Funnel Builder. Leverages AI to automate and enhance your webinar funnel creation. Pre-built webinar templates optimized with AI copy. Integrates AI-generated lead magnets, email sequences, and CTAs. Ideal for course creators, coaches, and SaaS demos. Top pick for launching webinars quickly with minimal effort.